I started the society in the year 1984. My San Juan Wu Society philosophy is always doing charity. I do this charity is always charity follow my father. My father had kidney problem, high blood, high cholesterol, diabetes. We doesn't know that with this high blood, all these things can affect the kidney.
I had diabetes since I was 16. I was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes. So I've been taking insulin since I was 16 years old. Until the age of 32, I went for India for a pilgrimage trip. That's when I had an infection on my foot. And then we had to proceed to remove the feet because it was life-threatening. And then at the age of 38, 2019, I had a stroke. My left side of my body was totally unable to use. And then while I was recovering, another setback, I started to retain a lot of water. The doctor told me that, oh, this time around, your kidney failed. I had a lot of thoughts running in my mind because they told me I need to go for dialysis 3 times a week. I was totally depressed. At the point, I was also unemployed. I was thinking of all the costs that I would have incurred to me. Thankfully, NKF accepted me into their program.
Queenstown has a larger population of seniors compared to many other parts of Singapore, and many of them have mobility issues. Travelling to a dialysis centre 3 times a week for this group of frail patients can be very challenging for them. With the new NKF Dialysis Centre, supported by San Huang Wu Ti Religious Society at Block 55, Strathmore Avenue, I'm glad that more residents can now receive treatment closer to their homes.
I believe you don't have to be rich to do charity. It's on the heart. So when they donate to me 500, 5,000, I say I'm going to say NKF. I show to them the receipt. That's why they trust the San Juan Wu Ti, they do donations. They're all small businessmen, taxi driver, hawker, all this.
I was diagnosed during this period of time. I thought that I'll be alone, depressed, and everybody's having a hard time right now. But thankfully, NKF have this mindfulness program. This program where we come together in a virtual setup. This actually helps me to keep my mind free. At the same time, we are not alone because we are always connected to the people around us.
I understand that patients also receive regular nutritional advice and exercise plans tailored to their fitness levels to enhance their physical functions. And NKF's integrated care team has also rolled out a mindfulness meditation support group for patients and staff at the dialysis centre, so that care rendered to our seniors are holistic in nature.
It's been 6 months since I'm in NKF. I'm starting to settle down a bit. I would say since a young age, I've been through a lot of obstacles, and yet I can persevere. I keep going thanks to all my friends, family members, and extended family members especially.
I know the difficulty of this, those people who suffer this financially and a lot of these things. There's always hope, right? So, because your family, you have a family, the family loves you, don't give up hope.
I would like to thank San Huang Wu Ti Religious Society for their generous gift of $1.3 million towards the establishment of the new centre to benefit the needy kidney patients living in Queenstown.